Hello everyone, hope you all are staying safe inside your home. Today we will see how to quickly import Excel files of previous year into Census eForm Expert on cloud software. There are two methods of importing previous year's Excel file. First method is copy all your clients' PAN number and name in one Excel or Notepad for easy access. Create client group and client. Open form and import your previous year Excel file. Feed current year data, validate and create return. And the second method is create a client with any name and PAN number. After importing previous year Excel file, go to edit the client and change name and PAN number to actual. We will see the first method, which is very easy and fast. Let's see this with our live tutorial. Here we have previous year Excel files of two clients, Mohan and Sanjay. We opened Mohan file and copied name and PAN in one notepad. Just like we copied our first client's name and PAN, we'll do same with our second client. We copied Sanjay's name and PAN in same notepad. Now log in to Census eForm Expert on cloud software. We'll provide the login link in below description. After login, click on client management, then click on client group and select add client group button. We have added this new feature in Census eForm Expert on cloud software. This feature will help you to keep your various clients group wise for easy use. After creating group, again click on client management, then click on client. Click on add client button. Inside this, click on client group in drop down and select client group which we just created previously. Enter client code and enter client name. For easy understanding, we are entering same name which we had copied in notepad. Enter client PAN and click on save button. Same way, we'll create another client. This way you can create multiple clients in 1 minute. After saving both clients in client group, click on eForm Expert tab, click on client filing, then click on new form. Here select all the details like client name, financial year, form type and filing type and click on save button. Here you can see your new form is created. Now select client and click on open form. You will see a blank form for current year. Click on Excel import. Select relevant Excel file and import it. After successfully importing Excel file, click on save data button. You will see all your client data has been imported in a fraction of seconds. Similarly, you can create new forms for other clients and import data and follow the same steps as shown on the screen. If you're having multiple clients, we have given search option for fast access. You can also check out our previous Census eForm Expert on cloud software tutorials. Thank you.